strap is more on the inside of the 8-inch CMU. That's to give you enough room so you have, if we would have put that strap on the outside of the channel.
Because we're all used to seeing straps over here that are wrapping over the top. But when you come over here and you see that all these are blocked, and how many nails does the piece of wood need to go into the truss?
But I'm just letting you guys know that's a thing, you know, that when you look at the plans and you look at the framing detail that Jeff will probably show you, that calls that that's supposed to be on the wall detail strapped, and we have no straps right now.
So permit number, address, all that stuff. Always take a picture of that and make sure I'm at the right house, because I have done the wrong house before.
Get the lock because they'll spray it on the side of the house. And this is easy. All these old houses, you're easy one to find.
Yeah.
That lot and block number you're going to want.
That this stuff is up here on the walls. There's no mortar in the joint. And that's why we end up with hairline cracks on our mortar joints, is because they're not wet enough. They should be wetting the block or keeping the block somewhat moist so that the mortar joints will adhere and bond and all that.
If you look here, you can see we spun these our masons always go back. They have Mamacita out here with a sponge, and she sponges everything off as they're setting it, and that's introducing additional water,
more moisture,
mortar,
so that it cures.
Because it's an exothermic reaction, and it's just shrinking out. It's curing the outside before it's curing the inside, and that's where you get those cracks. So we're just reintroducing moisture into it.
I mean, this is really good block work. I mean,
how did they fix it?
Puts a waterproof coating on the block, right? So the question then becomes, does the stucco bond to that waterproof coating? If we are doing a garage and we run everything with EMT and metal boxes on the inside of the garage, he's like, well, you got to. When you open the electric panel, you'll notice that you don't have 12 and 14 gauge wire. You have 10 and 12. Because it's solid aluminum, they upsize it for it to be solid. Most of them are going to put it in. So we want to make sure that we take a look at that pressure gauge. It's holding 30 psi. We want to make sure that we take a photo of that. How long does the water supply pipe have to hold pressure in order to pass the test? Anybody know?
Forever.
The software does not consider the route that the duct has to get from point A to point B. The seminar in June, which is Florida Association of Building Inspectors, how many FABI members do I have? Is my shop vac strong enough to pull the air from this hallway? When I look at G, the uplift on that is 395 on this one. So I just need to have a strap that holds 395 pounds of uplift.